Roblox Premium gives you monthly Robux, exclusive items, and extra benefits in games. Subscribing is easy on both phone and PC, and here's a step-by-step guide to get Roblox Premium on your account. First, you need to open your Roblox application, or you can also go to its official website and log into your account. Once you're in the Roblox website, from the homepage that appears, you will see the premium option in the left-hand side of the screen, that is between themes and blog option. Go ahead and tap on premium. Now you'll get the option of get premium, which is highlighted in white color. You can go ahead and tap on this option over here. But before that, remember that there are 3 different premium options available. One is Premium 450, where you'll get 450 Robux per month. And there is Premium 1000, where you'll get 1000 Robux per month. And Premium 2200, where you'll get 2200 Robux per month. So the first one costs around $4.99, and the second one is $9.99, and the third one will cost you $19.99. So if you're sure you want to get premium, go ahead and tap on Get Premium option. This will take you to this kind of interface where you can go ahead and select any of the premium plans that you want to get. Then tap on Subscribe Now option, which is highlighted in white color. This will take you to the payment page where you need to simply enter your debit and credit card details, or you can also use PayPal or redeem the Roblox card if you have, and you'll be able to get it instantly. Follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.